Hi Nisar bhai,
Hi, Shagbai.
we meet again and what matter we can discuss today?
Okay, today, because of Sunday, we are leave. So then
Yeah.
we meet again. We meet in this space. I think let's talk about today the conference or how to develop the conference in our life.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's very relevant topic. How can we develop, improve our confidence? Because without confidence, we cannot learn or earn anything.
Yes, absolutely.
So confidence improving very important matter. First, if we want to improve our confidence, develop our confidence, first we have to believe ourselves.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's very important matter. And another matter, it, we can see two types of comparison. People have two types of comparison. One is positive comparison,
Mm.
another one is negative comparison. Positive comparison very important, very useful for improve our confidence, but negative comparison very bad.
Mm.
So what is the
You,
positive comparison and negative comparison?
mm.
Yeah, okay.
Then okay, then I doubt. Then you talking about then the you mentioning the category of the people or the positive thinking people or negative thinking people
Yes.
because how to influence our life this type of the people. I understand that you talking anyway. Conference is a very the most important tool in our life because and without
Yeah.
conference we can nothing, we can do nothing, we can earn nothing as you mentioned. Because in our whether it is in our business, in our relationship, in our social life also, and this conference that's lead us to our achievement, to fulfill
Yeah.
our achievements and
Yeah.
our dreams. So it's a
Yeah.
very
Yeah. And we are English learners. So if we make negative comparison with other people,
Mm.
for example, two people started to practice English. One person got fluency quickly, other person didn't get fluency. The, this person think, yeah, he got in fluency very quickly, but I don't get it. He think that time he fed up. So if the positive comparison people, they try to understand what kind of practice method they follow, other people follow, and they uh, try to incorporate that kind of practice method in their life. It is the positive comparison. Positive comparison very important to improve our confidence.
Yes,
And
yes.
another matter, if we communicate with more people, that time also we can improve our confidence. For example, if you only speak Kerala people with, when we practice English, that time, if you only speak Kerala people with, that time we very comfortable to speak with Kerala people. But other when we get other states people to speak English, that time we don't get confidence to speak with them. So how much people with we communicate, that much confidence we get.
We get. Yes,
Yeah.
you are right. You are right because
Yeah.
in case of and even take the top that
Yeah.
English also,
Mm.
and many persons they hesitating to speak English. That is the lack of the confidence,
Confidence,
because they are very educated. They are very excellent in English, and they
Yeah.
can write. They have this writing skill, and they have plenty of the vocabulary, and they have the very beautiful the style of the structuring the sentence. Everything they know, but only the problem is the lack of the confidence. They don't go to ahead the English. So then we are talking about this conference, and we have to think in that. And as you mentioned, a very excellent point, that is a self believing. So
Yeah.
then we can do something, but lack of confidence, we stand stagnation. It means that we stand still. So that's a obstacle of our
Yeah.
the growth. So then adding to that, and that the importance means that we talk about the confidence, lack of the confidence, but the important thing is how to develop our confidence. That is a very important matter.
Yeah,
So,
that's why I suggested. That's why I suggested you.
can you
Yeah,
what are the tips can you tell the how to
yeah,
grow our
yeah. I
confidence?
suggested you first. We believe ourselves
Yeah.
and we think positively. And sometimes we get negative comments also.
Yes.
Where we get backbiting, mocking.
Don't carry it.
Yeah, don't carry it because all the people have shortcomings. But the problem,
Shortcoming means the demerits
yes,
or
yes, yes,
they're
yeah.
the
Weak points.
weak points.
Yeah, all the people have shortcomings, weak points. But some people, they look other people problems. They don't consider their problems.
Their own
They
problems,
don't try to
yeah.
correct their problems.
Yes.
They don't try to fix their problems. They look other people problems. But I told you, all the people have shortcomings. So we can understand. We try to understand our ability, and we try to develop our ability. And we don't criticize other people. We don't mock. We don't backbite. We don't criticize other people. If we understand the other person, he has some confidence problem, we can try to help him. That's better, and we can concentrate our practice, our improvement. Then at that time we get self
Yes,
confidence.
yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Then I adding to that, in our previous video, then we discussed about the friendship. So then our friends are very important for us because to our developing our confidence and their support and our encouragement. But at the same time, we have to think that some of them are very rarely, and we may have some friends like that, and they try to defame or to negatively they approach him. So then that's very and the one is the maximum and we should aware of that persons and our very the most and forget the name Joseph Anangutti Joseph is a very most social influencer and motivational speaker. Once he said that and some windows you should never open because through that window never get the positive something, only the negative or some the bad smells. So then you never open that window like that. Some people, some persons or some people we aware of that characters.
And we are English learners, so every day we try to connect more people with English practice purpose. We try to communicate with more people with that time also we can make positive conversations because for example, if I make a negative conversation in the morning time, this negative feel stay in my mind until evening. That time also we lose our confidence. So we can make very funny conversations and happy conversations with other people. That time also we can develop our confidence.
Yes.
I try this because if I connect to a person in the morning, I try to make a positive conversation with him, and I laugh more. This kind of that
Yes,
time
sir,
I get the positive mindset, positive energy until evening. Every day I try it.
Yes, there are many ways to developing our confident level because our group discussions, our readings, our writings, and our interactions with other people. Everything. So this is a very better tool to developing our confidences. And if we isolated himself in our home and we think, oh, I can nothing to do, or I am a very weak person. These type of the negative thoughts they shrink with him or withdrawal from the society. So then we understand our ability, our strength, and our weakness. So after these areas we can develop a lot because we are not we are very able to person.
And another matter, we are making now video conversation, and this also very difficult process because when we speak with other people without camera, that time most of the people get very good confidence. But when the people face camera, that time also we lose our confidence. We can see understand. But other people think it's very easy. In front of camera, make a conversation very easy. People think that
we know it is not easy.
Yes.
It is not easy process.
But if we continuously make videos, we can improve our confidence in front of camera also.
And the more and more we getting in or we getting the practice that zone, and we can get the confidence. And many persons have the very fear of the stage because the confidence of the addressing the audience. So that's okay. There are many methods to overcome this, but this in somehow is a very
because when we get on the stage the first time, that time we have more fear. But if we get chance again and again, after the fear loss, the fear go away. The same. If we face continuously camera, we can easily face camera, no problem. I will tell you one matter. So in my beginning time, some people told me, Yeah, you make their mistake, here mistake, you make their grammar mistake, your pronunciation is not good. This kind of. Then I told him, you on your camera and you make a video. That time you can understand.
Okay.
Then one person started a YouTube channel. He understood now. Yeah. So, in my opinion, we can take everything positively, and we can inspire other people positively. If they have any problem, we can try to solve their problem, and everything we can take positively. That's better.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's a very good advice, because I will
Yeah.
take positively anything.
Yeah.
Anyway, then
And in conclusion, if we believe ourselves, and if we communicate with more people, and if we uh, get any criticism, that time also, if we take it positively, we can keep our confidence, we can gain our confidence.
yes,
That's
yes,
my
so-
perfection in
Okay,
this
okay.
matter. Yeah.
Anyway, then this is a very insightful suggestions or the tips you made.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's a very thank you.
Yeah.
And okay, let's meet the next time.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah.